Good morning, students. You are most welcome in my YouTube channel SKG Tutorial Online Classes. Today I will teach you chemistry for class 10th, chapter 1, chemical reactions and chemical equations. Dear students, first we have to explain what is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction को हिंदी में बोलते हैं रासायनिक अभिक्रिया. जितने भी केमिकल चेंज नेचर में होते हैं वहाँ पर केमिकल रिएक्शन जरूर होता है. जैसे साधारण सा एग्जाम्पल, दूध से दही का बनना, आयरन मेटल में रस्टिंग होना, डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट, सोरिंग ऑफ मिल्क, फर्मेंटेशन इन सुगर केन जूस. We know after fermentation in sugarcane juice, it will be converted into acetic acid. Milk is converted into curd in the presence of lactobacillus bacteria, and this lactobacillus bacteria change the constituent of milk, that is lactose, into lactic acid. So we have to know what is the concept of chemical reaction. हमने ये जाना कि केमिकल चेंज जहाँ भी होता है वहाँ केमिकल रिएक्शंस जरूर होते हैं. केमिकल रिएक्शन इज ए प्रोसेस इन विच रिएक्टेंट्स react with each other and they form a new product with new chemical properties. During chemical reactions, there is a rearrangement of atoms takes place. And in chemical reactions, there will be breaking of old bonds and formation of new bonds. पुराने bonds टूटते हैं और नए chemical bonds बनते हैं. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. यानी मैग्नीशियम का जो रिएक्शन ऑक्सीजन गैस से होता है तो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बनता है. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि मैग्नीशियम के दो एटम्स रिएक्शन किए, ऑक्सीजन गैस से रिएक्शन किए तो क्या बनाया? Magnesium oxide. Now we have to balance chemical reactions. There are unbalanced reactions in your content. You have to balance it. For example, Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Here we see in this compound Fe3O4 there is 3 atoms of Fe, but here is only one Fe, so we have to put 3 Fe. Here H2 is, here oxygen is 4 atoms. Here number of atom of oxygen is only 1. So by balancing number of atoms we have to put here 4. Now we can see iron atoms is balanced. Hydrogen atoms are balanced by putting 4 in this place. Yani during chemical reaction we have to see hit and trial method, due to which we get the how we can balance the chemical reaction. You can say in this side the number of atoms in the reactant side, iron is 3 atoms, hydrogen 8 atoms, oxygen 4 atoms. In the product side these numbers will be same. So we have to balance. Some other example, FeSO4 gives Fe2O3 and SO2 plus SO3. First we have to write same equation. Once again, FeSO4 gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Then we have to see what is the difference in both sides. Here Fe is 2, here Fe is 1. So we have to put 2 in front of FeSO4. Then we get 2 atoms of iron, 2 atoms of iron, 2 4 is 8 atoms of oxygen. 3 2 5 3 8 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of sulfur. Here is 2 atoms of sulfur. So this chemical reaction is balanced. Now we have to take Ca plus HNO3, then it gives CaNO3 twice plus H2. Now we have to write once again this reaction. Ca plus HNO3 gives NO3 twice. हमने उसी रिएक्शन को फिर से लिख दिया. अब देखेंगे इसमें क्या अंतर है. NO3 twice है इधर, यहाँ NO3 है. यहाँ पर हम लगाएंगे 2 लगाने से NO3 twice बैलेंस हो गया. 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम 3 to 6 oxygen, 3 to 6 oxygen. Reaction is balanced. In fourth equation, H2S plus SO2, it gives S plus H2O. Here we have to balance it. 4 H2S plus 2 SO2, then it gives 6 S plus 4 H2O. We can see here 4 2 is 8 hydrogen atom, 4 2 is 8 hydrogen atoms, 4 atom of oxygen, 2 2 is 4 atom of oxygen, 4 atom of sulfur plus 2 atom of sulfur equal to 6 atom of sulfur. Yes, 6 atom of sulfur. It means number of atoms of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen are balanced on both sides. Dear students, we have to balance CH4 plus O2, then it gives CO2 plus H2O. Here we can see there is 4 hydrogen, but there is only 2 hydrogen. So we have to write this reaction once again. CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. 7 लिख दिया मैंने. अब इसको मैच करेंगे. यहाँ पर 4 हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पर 2 हाइड्रोजन. So we have to put 2 here. 2 2 is 4. Here number of atom of hydrogen is 4. Here number of atom of hydrogen is 4. Oxygen 2 atoms. Here number of atom of oxygen is 2 and 2. 4. We have to put here 2. So now this reaction is balanced. On the basis of these reactions, you have to solve these questions. Dear students, you have to write in your notebook and practice different chemical reactions, and you have to balance it on the basis of this lecture. Thank you.